Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Onyi. I do a lot of DIY natural hair care videos. I show you how to use ingredients around you to make your own hair treatments. I'm also growing my hair, so if you are interested, you can join me on this journey. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and comment if you have any question, and if you have any tip that you want to share with someone who wants to grow their hair, kindly drop it in the comment section. And in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how I make and use onion juice for hair growth. Onions is very rich in sulfur. It has antibacterial properties and antioxidant properties. It can help to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair shedding and hair loss. So this is our ingredients for today's treatment, and we will be adding Vaseline petroleum jelly to this treatment. The reason why we are adding petroleum jelly to this treatment is to help trap in moisture in your hair. Things you can add to your onion juice: you can add castor oil, which is very good for hair growth. You can add coconut oil. You can even add your flaxseed gel. I love it so much when it is added. And you can add your fenugreek. So you can also add olive oil. I love olive oil so much for my hair. I always have olive oil at home. So all this you can add to your onion juice. So you can add even a combination of this to give you an effective result. Now, onion juice is very good for your hair because it helps soften the scalp and it helps your hair to shine. It equally helps with scalp conditions like dandruff. So if you are having dandruff, this treatment is very good for your hair. If your hair is thinning, your hair is shedding, you're having hair loss, try onion juice. If you are having a bad spot, you should also try onion juice. The reason why we have different kinds of treatment is so that you will have options. You can try onion juice. If it doesn't work for you, then you can try another treatment. But the most important thing is that you have to be consistent. When you pick one method that you are comfortable with, try and be consistent so that you will have an effective result. So let's say I am using this onion juice. I can use it for 3 months and see the impact that it's going to have on my hair. If I am using rice water, I'm going to use it for a duration of time and see how it's going to affect my hair and how my hair will respond to it. So guys, our first ingredient for this treatment is our onions. I have 2 onions with me. I have the white onions and the red onions. I'm using this because this is what I have available at the moment. You can use any color of onions of your choice. You can use white, you can use red onions. So I'm using this because this is what I have available at the moment. So I'm using 2 balls of onions. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is to wash our onions properly, and then peel the onion skin. After peeling the onion skin, we are going to chop them into smaller chunks. So I will peel my onions and then slice them into pieces. So this is just a way to get your onions ready for blending. So next I'll transfer my onions into my blender. So after transferring my onions, I will add a little water before blending. So I will blend this and ensure that it blends properly. It blends into a puree. Transfer this blended onion juice into my sieve. Here I'm using my wig cap for the sieving. You can use any sieve of your choice. I'm using this because this is what I have at the moment, and I actually like using it because it helps me bring out the juice properly. So I'm transferring the blended onions into my plate, and I will into my sieve. Ensure that you scoop out everything because you'll be needing it. You would not want to waste your onions. So guys, don't transfer in that. I would squeeze out the onion juice into my bowl. If you are using this wave cap, I advise you do not squeeze too much, but squeeze gently and ensure that you get all your juice, but do it gently, because if you squeeze too much, the onion pulps will come out and you will have them inside your juice. So I have tried it before and that was what I got. So please try not to squeeze too much, but squeeze gently. And then you can see the onion juice. I have enough for the week, and I'll still prepare another one, but when I am done using this one. So I'm squeezing out my onion juice, and I like what I'm seeing. It's looking so nice, guys. So our onion juice is ready. You can see what it looks like. Wow, it looks so juicy, something very nice for your hair. So our next ingredient that we'll be adding to this is our Vaseline petroleum jelly. This is not the only thing you can add. You can add anything that will help you trap in moisture. So if you're not comfortable with the Vaseline, you can try coconut oil or any other type of oil that you are comfortable with. But Vaseline does not have any side effect. It is very good for your hair. It helps with hair growth as well. Next thing, I'll transfer my onion juice into a boiling water to dissolve my Vaseline. I'll bring it out. This is what it looks like. My Vaseline has melted and it's all ready for use. You can see. So next thing to do, I'll transfer this into my spray bottle. Wow, this is what I have. It will be enough for this week, and wow, I like this. So guys, you can use your funnel, your spray bottle, your squeeze bottle, whatever you use for applying your treatments to your hair. So this is what I have, and this is what I'll be using. So guys, our prepared onion juice infused with Vaseline is ready. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks very good for the hair. So guys, I have decided to film this part to show you how I'll be applying the onion juice to my scalp, and also share with you tips and tricks that I employ when applying my treatments. So Vaseline is not the only thing you can add to your onion juice. You can also add castor oil, you can add coconut oil, any olive oil, you can add fenugreek, you can add flaxseed gel. So I have decided to film this part so that I will show you how I will apply this to my hair. After applying this, I will leave it on my hair for half an hour, and I will wash it out with my shampoo and condition my hair. So this is my hair. This is how I've been carrying my hair for the past 2 weeks. You guys know that. And I'm going to apply our onion juice to it. So guys, I will spray it into my scalp and make sure that my scalp gets it very well. Oh, it's pouring. So when you spray it into your scalp, you have to massage it in. See, massaging in this treatment into your scalp is actually very vital, because when you're doing this, especially in circular motion, it helps it helps stimulate your scalp, and your hair follicles will get the treatment. So it is very important that you massage it in, so that the treatment will not just sit on your hair. So help your scalp as well and do the work. So this is it. Why I like this braids that I did on my hair is because I feel it's easy for me to work my fingers into my scalp. You know, like as you can see, my fingers goes in every corner. I also like doing cornrows, but this time I decided to do something different. I can still wear my wig like this, but most of the time I style it and move around with it this way. So as you can see, guys, this is it. I will make sure, I have it on my face already. I will make sure that my scalp gets everything. And it's super saturated with the onion juice. Good. So like I said, you can add castor oil, you can add olive oil, you can use flaxseed gel, you can use fenugreek, whatever you prefer that works with your hair. You can add it to your onion juice and you will get an effective result. You know, castor oil is your #1 oil for hair growth. Coconut oil is equally very good for your hair. I love olive oil so much. So olive oil is my #1 go-to oil for hair growth, and it helps with dry scalp and all that. So I am done massaging this. I am going to cover with my cap. I will let it sit for half an hour and I will wash it out. So I'm going to cover my hair with my cap and let it sit for half an hour, and I will wash it out. So after 30 minutes, I shampooed my hair first, and then I washed out the onion juice with my shampoo, and I conditioned the hair. So guys, it's important that you wash it out. Do not leave. You can leave it for hours, but after 24 hours, ensure you wash it out. You will not want to move around smelling of onions. So I'm done washing with my shampoo. The next thing to do is to condition the hair. So I applied my conditioner and I washed it out. So guys, you can give this treatment a trial. It works, and a lot of people have given testimonies about how onion juice has helped them with hair growth. So the most important thing is consistency. Try and be consistent. If you are trying out a treatment, see how it works with your hair, the kind of effect it has with your hair before you try something else. If it's working for you, then I think you should stick with that treatment. So we have come to the end of this treatment. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. Like this video, share it, and comment if you have any question. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.